Woody! Come on! He's been out and about flying, but he does normally come straight back. Woody! Come on! Woody! He's ignoring me. Where could he be? Up here. He does normally come to me when I'm shouting. Ah! Woody! I don't think that was him. Woody! I think he's over there on the electric pole. Come on! I have a feeling that's him. Well, I keep saying him, we've just actually established not only is Woody a collared dove, but he's also a female. Ah! I think he's just flown in. Woody? Hello, son! There he is. Good boy. Good girl, should I say. How are you doing? You look a bit... What's going on with your feather? Come on. Come on then. I rescued Woody, well my brother did, and there was actually two of them, but one of them didn't survive, so they're only a day old. Hello son, yeah I know! Oh, you're a good boy. Let me just see if I can turn the camera around. He's a good boy. And we syringe fed him for, I think it's about 12 weeks possibly. You're a good boy, aren't you? And I did paint his feathers because, well, we live in Spain and we do like to shoot the pigeons and the collared doves. Let's see if he'll follow me down to the house. Come on, Woods. See if he'll come if I shout him from around here. Woody! Come on! Come on then! Come on! Woody! There we go. Good girl. Sonny, no. And she even greets whoever comes to the gate now if the dogs are all barking. Oh yeah. You good girl, I know. Come on. Oh. That was another female, that wasn't Woody. Good girl, you know. Come on then. Good girl, there she is. You're a good girl, aren't you? It's lovely that she's flying about now. Isn't it? Yeah. Good girl. So that's Woody, our female collared dove. Yeah.